Okay guys, so this final exercise that I'm going to show you here is going to be hip thrusts with the Smith machine. This is something we can use when balance comes into a factor with the barbell. If we don't like it wiggling around too much, this is going to keep us right where we need to be. So I have this bench here that we're going to use to kind of sit down back on, and we're going to hip thrust to the sky. But first I need to adjust this bench to get as close as possible to me. And it's going to be right about here. And then, since this Smith machine does not go all the way to the floor, I am adding a platform here that will ensure that our feet are going to be a little bit higher up from the ground so we can beat that little stop right there. Okay, so now that I've set this platform here, we make sure that it's not going to wiggle around everywhere. If you look up close, you can see that there's a couple steps here that uses it to raise it up higher. We do have more of these if you wanted to bring it up more. Okay, so from here, we take this bar, we twist it out, and we're going to lower it to that third knob here. Once we find this part, we have these bar pads all over the gym that you guys can use. We're just going to place it there. And then we're going to, actually, I'm just going to raise this to the fourth one. Okay, guys, now that we put this bar pad on, we're going to use our balance here. It's kind of like a little tricep dip. When you're coming down, you want that bench to find the middle of your bra strap here. So you can wiggle down just a little bit. I'm going to push this platform just a little bit further away. We're going to put our feet on this platform here. And we're going to find our hips at the top. And we're going to go all the way down to the bottom. And we're raising up to the sky, inhaling on the way up. You can hold for 2 here and lowering it back down. One more time, we're inhaling on the way up, exhaling on the way down. And that was hip thrusts.